Hi guys, here's your field scientist assignment. So this looks a little different than things we've done before, and your screen's going to look a little bit different than mine, but I'm going to do my best to show you where to go. So after you watch the video and read the directions and go outside and take your first day's notes and draw your first day's sketches for your field science journal, you're going to click here on this Google slide. It says Field Scientist Journal. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to want to take a picture of each day's work. So each day you take notes and sketches, you'll take a picture. Then you'll come into here. This is only your slides, so you each get your very own set of slides. Then I want you to watch this video here on how to put your image of your notes into each day's slide. So you'll come back here 5 times after 5 days of notes and put each day in. I hope that helps. The main thing I wanted to show you is that this is where your journal is, so you want to click on this link when you're ready.